with what? They started coming up with findings about Adolf Hitler. We all are aware that his death is till date a mystery. His death is till date a mystery. Okay, because the body which was found, it was completely 100% burnt body. There are people who say that कि उसका डेथ नहीं हुआ था तब. ठीक है. So as such it is also said that he was seen in Argentina with his Brazilian friend. ठीक है. He was seen once in Argentina with his Brazilian friend. और एक पिक्चर भी है. ठीक है. एक पिक्चर भी है वैसा. And it is also said that he never committed suicide. In the past, there were sayings that Hitler had many lookalikes who used to work with him. जो उनके साथ काम करते थे, उसी में से किसी एक इंसान को उन लोगों ने मारा और it was shown that it was Adolf Hitler's body. Yes, Jitendra, it is quite possible that he might have died. Obvious chances है क्योंकि by the end of the Second World War he was into his 40s का end या 50s का beginning. ठीक है. चलो. So history is a prime subject of interest for those periodicals as well, electronic periodicals as well. ठीक है. So as we have already discussed, there are many news portals, social media channels, web channels, we have YouTube, etc., which are trying to make historical content available to whom? Available to the audience as well as the readers. Okay, you can now find good number of videos on history. Okay, you can follow many YouTubers who will only speak about history. Now, when we talk about mass media, do remember we have one more form which falls part of what? Which falls part of इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और डिजिटल जर्नलिज्म. ठीक है, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं रेडियो. आई एम रिपीटिंग, व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट एज? रेडियो. ठीक है. व्हेन आई से रेडियो, डू रिमेंबर in the beginning when radio was started in our country, it was started by a private company. ठीक है, in India, and the name of the company is Indian Broadcasting Company. ठीक है. Do remember the very first time when radio was started in our country, it was started by a company, a British company called as IBC. The full form is Indian Broadcasting Company. Indian Broadcasting Company. Don't worry, Purva, I'll tell you what you are supposed to write. So just relax. Okay? So do remember the first company to start with radio services in our country is a private company called as Indian Broadcasting Company. Okay? Later, this company was taken over by whom? It was taken over by the British government. Okay? And it was renamed as what? It was renamed as ISBS. It was renamed as what? ISBS. That is Indian State Broadcasting Services. Indian State Broadcasting Services. Yes, it was before independence. So do remember, the very first company to start with radio services in our country is IBC. It is a private company, which started with daily programs on radio in India. And then the same company was taken over by the British government, and it was named as what? It was named as Indian State Broadcasting Service. Indian State Broadcasting Service. Indian State Broadcasting Service. Samruddhi, because The reason was simple. People were getting connected. Chinmay, you can send the message here just where you have sent it now. Because the reason, because it was being called as a state because it was part of the British territory back then. Sorry. Okay. So do remember, first it was called as IBC, then it was taken over by the British government and it was renamed as what? It was renamed as Indian State Broadcasting Service. Indian State Broadcasting Service. Yes, Vedant, you can send it here only. I'll tell you, Yash, what you are supposed to write. Don't worry. The reason was simple, because they wanted their existence into that company. That is why it was kept as Indian State, as it was part of what? The Indian State was part of the British Empire back then. Yes, you can send the message here only. Don't worry. Then later on 8th of June 1936, it was renamed as what? It was renamed as All India Radio. It was renamed as what? All India Radio. Four things you are supposed to underline. Pehle IBC, then ISBS, then you are supposed to underline the date on which it was called as AIR or it was renamed as AIR. Yes, correct, Mridini. It was started by a Britisher, but it was not under the complete control of the British government, and that is why it was taken over and the name was changed. Yes, yes, I know. Relax. Okay, then do remember, underline कर लो ये चार चीजें, IBC, ISBS, 8th of June 1936, and also underline AIR. Also underline AIR. Now, when it comes to AIR, do remember, after India achieved independence in the year 1947, All India Radio became the integral part. It became the integral part of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Okay, simply it was used to pass on the information to the people, and a few entertainment programs were included. नहीं बेटा, ये लोगो बहुजन समाज का नहीं है. वहां पर ऊपर जो लिखा है, इट इज बहुजन हिताय बहुजन सुखाय. दैट इज फॉर द पीपल. लोगों के हित में, लोगों के सुख के लिए इज AIR. बहुजन हिताय बहुजन सुखाय. ठीक है. सो इनिशियली it became the integral, after independence it became the integral part of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting India. Do remember, it was used to pass information. It was used to pass information to the people. So it was one of the best mediums to pass information to a large audience, because उस टाइम पे हमारे कंट्री में टीवी वगैरह ये सब चीज नहीं होता था. The only way which the government had back then was to use the radio services, and that is why All India Radio was made the part of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Information and Broadcasting. Okay? Do remember, it broadcasted governmental programs and schemes. Do remember one more thing, that it was again named as Akashvani. It was named as what? Akashvani. On the suggestions given by whom? On the suggestions given by Pandit Narendra Sharma. पंडित नरेंद्र शर्मा. इंटीग्रल का मतलब होता है इनर पार्ट. इट वाज पार्ट ऑफ information and broadcasting ministry or the ministry of information and broadcasting. So when it comes to radio, do remember it was named as Akashvani on the suggestions given by whom? Given by a very famous poet called as Pandit Narendra Sharma. Do remember, it is very important. ठीक है, आकाशवाणी और पंडित नरेंद्र शर्मा को अंडरलाइन कर लो. important for 1 mark questions. Identify the wrong pair as well as fill in the blanks. Atharva Chauhan, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting is a ministry of Indian government which transfers the information from the government channels to the people. Whatever information is to be given to the people at large, that information is taken care by that work is taken care by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. So official channels जो है गवर्नमेंट के, वहीं से उनको इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है and they pass on that information. ठीक है. आकाशवाणी broadcast various entertainment programs. They also broadcast programs. ठीक है, मतलब लाते हैं. There are programs with respect to entertainment as well. बीच में when the lockdown started, initially they also started broadcasting educational programs. ठीक है, for the kids of standard 7th to 10th. ठीक है, और छोटे बच्चों के लिए उन लोगों ने क्या किया? उन लोगों ने राइम्स वगैरह प्ले करना स्टार्ट किया था ऑन द रेडियो. ठीक है, so they have started what? They have started various things. It also broadcasts special programs for farmers, workers, youth as well as for women. So basically radio or all India radio, ठीक है, they come up with various programs for different groups in the society. ठीक है, बच्चों के लिए भी है, फार्मर्स के लिए है, वर्कर्स के लिए है. इट इज ऑल्सो फॉर वुमेन as well as for the youth. ठीक है, depending upon the need, they come up with different programs. Do remember they have a particular program जिसका नाम है विविध भारती. ठीक है, it is broadcasted in 24 regional languages. Do remember, it is broadcasted in 24 regional languages and 146 dialects of those 24 regional languages. State wise बहुत सारे languages के dialects में भी चलाया जाता है ये program. ठीक है, when it comes to North East Indian states, तो वहां पर बहुत सारा languages exist करता है. So in different regions of those states, they have a different dialect. तो वहां पर उनके डायलेक्ट के हिसाब से वो लोग प्रोग्राम्स को ब्रॉडकास्ट करते हैं. नहीं, डायलेक्ट मतलब सेम लैंग्वेज का बोलने का तरीका. जैसे इफ यू गो टू आवर नेटिव प्लेस, ठीक है, इफ यू गो टू आवर नेटिव प्लेस, मेजरली इफ यू सी, ठीक है, महाराष्ट्रियंस में मराठी स्पीकिंग पॉपुलेशन जो है, मुंबई में अलग मराठी बोलते हैं हम लोग कंपैरेटिवली. जो हमारे नेटिव प्लेस पे बोली जाती है, इट इज कंपैरेटिवली डिफरेंट. ठीक है, इवन इफ वी आर मूविंग आउटसाइड मुंबई, ठीक है, द वे पीपल स्पीक हिंदी इज डिफरेंट ऑफ विच वी स्पीक हियर इन मुंबई. ठीक है, जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ एन एग्जांपल, वी generally when we speak Hindi in any other state outside Maharashtra, people feel that we are fighting. मुंबईकर्स को ऐसे लगता है कि हम लोग, मतलब मुंबईकर्स के बारे में उन लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि ये लोग झगड़ रहे हैं. दैट इज आवर नॉर्मल टोन ऑफ स्पीकिंग. ठीक है, सो इवन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट पीपल लिविंग इन साउथ बॉम्बे, ठीक है, पीपल लिविंग इन साउथ बॉम्बे, और into the western suburbs of Bombay, तो वहां का भी हिंदी है ना, if you see, तो उनका हिंदी भी कंपैरेटिवली अलग होता है. ऐसा बोला जाता है कि हर छोटे एरिया के बाद उनका डायलेक्ट्स क्या होता है, उनका डायलेक्ट्स बदलता है. ठीक है, यहाँ पर किसी ने लिखा है कि हर 10 किलोमीटर में डायलेक्ट चेंज होता है. हाँ, यस चिन्मय, यू विल जनरली सी दैट. हम लोग एकदम ऐसा एग्जैक्ट 10 किलोमीटर नहीं बोल सकते, बट यस, on an average you can see that after every 10 to 15 kilometers the dialect of the people is comparatively a bit different. हाँ, उसके पीछे का भी रीजन है. जितेंद्र is saying it is only in India. ठीक है, the reason is very simple. The reason is very simple, because we have so many languages in our country. If you people are aware, there are 22 different languages which are there in our constitution, which are called as the scheduled languages. उसके अलावा भी there are good number of languages in our country. ठीक है, we have more than 1000 languages and dialects. So imagine. So that is one reason that this program called as Vivid Bharati, it is broadcasted in 24 regional languages as well as different dialects of those Indian languages. So this is the Vivid Bharati. Lately, there are good number of channels coming up for providing radio services in our country. One of them is Radio Mirchi. Okay. Then we have good number of other channels as well. अलग-अलग areas में अलग-अलग रेडियो चैनल्स आपको मिलेगा, बट ऐसा कुछ चैनल्स है जो अक्रॉस द कंट्री चलता है. वन सच चैनल इज रेडियो मिर्ची. Nowadays, Chinmay, they are not informative. They are solely based on advertisements and entertainment, for entertainment purpose. हाँ, बट आज भी अगर आप देखोगे ना, even if you still hear आकाशवाणी, ठीक है, अगर आप आज भी आकाशवाणी सुनते हैं ना, you'll get good information. बट बाकी सारे चैनल्स है ना, बाकी सारे चैनल्स आपको एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पस के लिए दिखेंगे, बिकॉज आपको मेजरली उस पे क्या सुनने मिलता है, मेजरली आपको सॉन्ग सुनने मिल जाता है और थोड़ा बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन वो लोग दे देते हैं, बस दैट्स इट, नथिंग एल्स. वो भी ऐसा लगेगा हमको कि शायद गलती से इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं. ठीक है, देयर आर गुड नंबर ऑफ रेडियो चैनल्स व्हिच कम अप विद अ फ्यू लिटरेरी प्रोग्राम्स. ठीक है, देयर इज दिस चैनल कॉल्ड एज 92.7 बिग एफएम. ठीक है, 92.7 बिग एफएम. सो उस पे ना, आई डोंट नो वेदर इट इज स्टिल ऑन और नॉट, वो अभी तक इट इज ऑन एयर और नॉट, बट आई यूज्ड टू हियर टू स्टोरीज ऑफ अ पर्सन. ठीक है, वो एक पर्टिकुलर शो था, आई गेस अराउंड 9:30 नहीं 10:30 to 11:30 चलता था पहले. ठीक है, 10:30 to 11:30 चलता था. द नेम ऑफ दैट शो वाज यादों का इडियट बॉक्स विद नीलेश मिश्रा. 92.7 पे चलता था यादों का इडियट बॉक्स विद नीलेश मिश्रा. नीलेश मिश्रा इज वन ऑफ द स्टोरी टेलर्स इन आवर कंट्री. ठीक है, उनका स्टोरीज काफी अच्छा रहता था. ठीक है, एंड स्टिल इफ यू डू नॉट हैव अ रेडियो, यू कैन लिसन टू हिज स्टोरीज ऑन यूट्यूब. ठीक है, दे हैव अ यूट्यूब चैनल. ठीक है, उस पे आपको बहुत सारे स्टोरीज सुनने मिलेंगे. ठीक है, ओके. So there are good number of radio channels coming up. One of them is Radio Mirchi. Another one we spoke about is 92.7 Big FM. Now, apart from that, we have another mode of electronic and digital journalism, that is television. Okay? Now, television is one such electronic or digital form of journalism wherein we get to see things as well. रेडियो पे हम सिर्फ सुन सकते हैं. ठीक है, न्यूज़पेपर पे हम सिर्फ पढ़ सकते हैं. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू टेलीविजन, वी कैन सी, वी कैन हियर, and at the same point of time we can also read. So that is why it is audio plus visual. इसीलिए उसको ऑडियो विजुअल मीडियम बोला जाता है. ठीक है. टू रिमेंबर द दिल्ली दूरदर्शन सेंटर वाज इनॉग्रेटेड बाय whom? It was inaugurated by our first president. The name of the president was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Underline Dr. Rajendra Prasad, again important for 1 mark. Can be asked as fill in the blank or identify the wrong pair. Then Doordarshan's Mumbai Center began to telecast its programs on or from 1st of May 1972. 1st of May 1972. अंडरलाइन कर लो फटाफट. बेटा फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट लिखा होगा, समझ जाएगा वो ठीक है, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दे कैन ऑल्सो आस्क यू विच सेंटर वाज इनॉग्रेटेड. सो जनरली वी feel that Mumbai में भी तो start हो सकता है. That is why I made you underline. So when you will read the textbook, your mind will register that part that Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the person who inaugurated Delhi Doordarshan Center. Yes, Yash. The paper contains extra questions as well. Extra in the sense, extra is something which is outside the book. Nothing will be asked outside the book. So don't worry. Whatever there is in the master key, it is made from the textbook only. Samjha? Now, in the year 1991, Indian government granted permissions to private national and international channels to telecast in India. Okay? Till the year 1991, we only had what? We only had Doordarshan. ठीक है. ओनली एक ही चैनल था अपने पास और वही चैनल पे सारी चीजें होती थी. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम टेलीविजन का इतना क्रेज होता था दैट पीपल यूज्ड टू वेट फॉर संडे. ठीक है. सो डू रिमेंबर पहले लोग संडे के लिए इसलिए वेट करते थे. द रीजन वो संडे को कोई एक मूवी चलाया जाता था. ठीक है. और उस जमाने में पूरे मोहल्ले में एक इंसान के घर में टीवी हुआ करता था और सारा मोहल्ला एक बंदे के घर पे आके बैठता था. ठीक है. सो दैट वाज वन पॉइंट. जब 1991 के बाद टीवी धीरे धीरे सस्ता हुआ तो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने परमिशंस दिया टू द प्राइवेट नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल चैनल्स टू टेलीकास्ट इन इंडिया. So thus it became possible for Indians to watch national and international events on television. ठीक है. तो बहुत सारी चीजें. Yes, it was after globalization, after the policy of globalization. That is the new economic policy of 1991. It was during the P.V. Narasimha Rao's government. It was P.V. Narasimha Rao's government which came up with the policy of 1991 under the guidance of Dr. Manmohan Singh, who back then was the finance minister. Okay, this was one way of earning money. Okay, Indians they used to watch television because naya channels आया, so it was way of earning money for the television channels as well as the government of the country. हाँ, कलर टीवी रेयर था. आज के जमाने में तो इट इज क्वाइट कॉमन. कलर टीवी छोड़ो, वी हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स नाउअडेज. ठीक है. कर्व टीवी, फिर एलईडी, 4K, सो अभी बहुत कुछ आ गया. ओके. Before we move on to the next part, I want you all to go through radio and television quick. Not because of emergency, not because of emergency India was in a bad state. कौन है ये? Hitesh. Hitesh from Ghatkopar. So India was in a bad state during that phase of 1991 because of the previous two governments, Chandrasekhar as well as VP Singh. VP Singh waived the loans of the farmers. ठीक है, तो वो burden आ गया उनके ऊपर around of 10-12,000 crores. And the next government, that is the government of VP सिंह के बाद वी हैड चंद्रशेखर. तो चंद्रशेखर गवर्नमेंट के टाइम पे भी बहुत सारा लॉसेस हुआ था गवर्नमेंट को, एंड जिसके वजह से वो लॉसेस उसके चक्कर में दे टुक एन एडिशनल लोन. ठीक है, सो इन द ईयर 1881, इन द ईयर 1981, the loan, the external loan of India was somewhere around 2,300 crores, whereas in a span of 10 years the loan quadrupled. It almost went up to 4 times. It was somewhere around 8,300 crores. Yes, Ria, he tried. Yes, Ria, he tried his level best to come up with less losses. So he was one among the finest finance ministers we had. One among the finest. Countries have good number of options. Atharva, it is not only World Bank, but yes, there are good number of options also. Yes, we had to mortgage the gold of India. हम लोगों ने कुछ mortgage किया था और कुछ पे कर, मतलब कुछ बेच दिया था. Vedant, Dr. Manmohan Singh is one of the finest economists we have. उनसे अच्छा economist हमारे country में हमको नहीं मिलेगा. He's such a knowledgeable person. Only during his tenure as the finance minister, the value of rupee increased. Yes, Manmohan Singh. Chalo, quickly, if you have any doubts, you can ask from radio as well as television. Because India में मृदिनी, India में the problem was उस टाइम तक हमारा कंट्री का इकोनॉमी उतना ओपन अप नहीं था. ठीक है, that is why the concept of globalization was introduced. नहीं आर्यन, उस टाइम पे रिमोट नहीं होता था टीवी पे. ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट भी था और कलर में भी था, तो उस टाइम पे रिमोट नहीं होता था. समृद्धि ऐसा कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है. एंड क्योंकि उस टाइम पे इतने ज्यादा चैनल्स नहीं होते थे, तो शायद रिमोट का भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ता. ईशा, वहां पर नॉब्स रहता था, टीवी पर ही नॉब्स रहता था, तो वो नॉब को रोल करके चैनल चेंज करना था. चलो, लेट्स मूव अहेड टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. व्हाई डू वी नीड मास मीडिया? Why do we need mass media? ठीक है, so we need mass media to facilitate free flow of information to all the strata, to all the groups of the society. We need to pass on the information to all the groups. So there are different ways in which we pass on what we pass on information. We have different ways such as editorials, various columns and supplements, which are essential parts of the newspapers. ठीक है. So newspapers have different things with which they pass on the information. Readers also are ensured of a platform to voice their opinion. If you have something to say, okay, so you can write up to the newspaper house, you can go and meet them, and if they like what you are trying to convey, they also will publish that article in their newspaper. Okay, so you also get what? You also get a platform to voice your own opinion. Newspapers can help in making the democracy stronger. How? By providing actual information to the people, or by providing unbiased information to the people, जिसमें कोई manipulations नहीं है. So television, again, when it comes to television, television is an audio visual medium. When I say television, do remember it has audio, it has visuals. We can read, we can hear, and we can also see what is happening. It was possible for this medium to cross the limitations of newspapers and radio and show the actual visuals of an event as it has happened to the people. So if there is anything recorded, we can show that on the television. So far, there is no other alternative to television for watching an event as it actually happened. Now, do remember, though we say that we have internet with us, okay, we have internet with us, we can show, we can see videos on various channels which are there, various applications which are there. Okay, say for example, YouTube. ठीक है, बट ऑल्सो डू रिमेम्बर सबसे पहले वो वीडियोस कहाँ प्ले किया जाता है? सबसे पहले वो वीडियोस प्ले किया जाता है, इफ देयर इज एनी इंफॉर्मेशन, वो वीडियोस किधर प्ले किया जाता है? टेलीविजन पर. एंड such videos which are there on YouTube or somewhere, we cannot properly identify the authenticity of that video. ठीक है, so we cannot actually cross check whether the information provided by that video is true or not. We can, at the same point of time, we can rely on what? We can rely on a TV channel, because broadcasting a video before broadcasting a video, they'll cross verify the authenticity of that particular information. ठीक है, बिना क्रॉस वेरिफिकेशन के वो लोग भी किसी भी वीडियो को अपने चैनल पर ब्रॉडकास्ट नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, एक बार गो थ्रू कर लो, व्हाई डू वी नीड मास मीडिया. चैनल्स आर लाइव, ऐसा कंपलसरी नहीं है बेटा. यश, the information which they generally get, they get it from different sources. ठीक है, उनके पास अपने खुद के भी सोर्सेज होते हैं, they also get the information from the governmental sources. So many a times it happens that government के source से आया तो वो लोग verify नहीं करता है या cross check नहीं करता है. Yes, Hitesh, we can say that. Hitesh is saying कि सर आजकल तो channels भी proper information नहीं देते. They generally give information about Bollywood or what is happening in Bollywood, but they do not tell us actually about what is happening in the country. Many such things have happened into this pandemic phase. Malhar, I can't take that name, sorry. But yes, it happens. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं which are not highlighted. जैसे for example into this pandemic phase, yes, यश ने अभी just लिखा है protest of the farmers. In this pandemic phase, the farmers have faced a hell lot of problems, which is not being posted anywhere, which is not broadcasted anywhere. Yes, Hitesh, I have heard. There are good number of things. Good number of people have lost their jobs. ठीक है? There are problems with respect to employment. ठीक है? People are not being paid properly. Leher Tolani, Leher, they have posted, yes, they have said many things about Assam floods, but yes, but majorly it focused on various other things. So that is a big problem. अरे बाप रे, इतना लंबा चौड़ा मैसेज किसका है? रिया. News is important for young generation, for people who make them idle. So you can't totally say that they show useless things. I'm not saying they're showing useless things. I didn't say they are showing useless things. You said that. It has been stretched. Vedant is asking why there is less information abroad on the news channels, because what happens generally is जितना freedom of press हमारे country में है without any restriction, वो सारी countries में इतना free norms नहीं है, उनके पास उतना free rules नहीं है. बेटा अथर्व, वो लोग वो चीज दिखाते हैं जिनसे उनको टीआरपी मिलता है, with which they क्या, हाँ ओके, सो वो लोग वो चीज दिखाते हैं जिनसे उनका टीआरपी बढ़ेगा, उनका इनकम बढ़ेगा. सो दे आर देयर टू मेक मनी. इट इज दैट सिंपल. Which question, beta? Can you, Priyanka, can you please type that question? Question number 3, sub question 1. बेटा इट इज वेरी इजी. हम लोगों ने इसीलिए टेबल बनाया था, प्रियंका. बाबर वाला पार्ट है ना. So what he included in his autobiography, he included about what the wars which he fought, and at the same point of time he also recorded the minute observations about the places he traveled, about the customs, traditions, and the flora. This is what he has described. I don't remember the page number, beta, but this is the answer. Babar wala part. वो डू यू नो के नीचे वाला पार्ट आएगा. डू यू नो रहेगा उसके नीचे. Chirag, yes, it is a critical case. Yes, Priyanka, you are supposed to write that part only. But do remember to write it in a point form. Paragraph जैसा मत लिखना. Every answer is supposed to be written in a point form. It has been always easy, Yash. History paper has always been easy. So don't worry. Chalo, anyone having any doubts so far, you can ask. We can wait for 5 more minutes if you have any doubts. Yes, even short notes are supposed to be written in point form. बेटा नथिंग इन द पेपर विल बी नॉन टेक्सुअल. टेक्सुअल का मतलब आपके दिमाग में गलत है. टेक्सुअल डज नॉट मीन टेक्स्ट बैक क्वेश्चंस. टेक्सुअल मीन्स एनीथिंग विद इन द टेक्स्ट बुक कैन कम. बेटा nothing is cancelled from chapter 2. Strata means different groups. Yes. Chapters have been reduced. Chapter number 4 is not there. Chapter 4 is not there. Chapter 6 is not there. From history, 4 and 6 is not there. Yes, the whole chapter. PS may say chapter 5 is not there. Rudrakshi, no chapter is difficult. All the chapters are easy. Ajit Kumar, it is going to be 40 marks only. Yes, Miridini, there was nothing to write. I just made you underline few things. Because आज जो हम लोगों ने पार्ट किया it is majorly important for 1 mark or 2 mark. Yes, Tanay. Chalo, anyone having any doubts? You can ask. Political science में बेटा chapter number 5. Yes, बराबर. Labdi Shah, it is perfect. You are supposed to do all the brief answers from your master key. Chapter 4 and chapter 6. Yash Yadav, chapter 4 and chapter 6 of history. Yes, you can. But what you can do is, others, what you can do is, you check the questions which are there in the master key. You can follow the answer from the textbook, not a problem. Yes, there might have been possibilities, but अच्छा हुआ नहीं दिया because इंडिया में पहले टीवी ही नहीं था लोगों के पास. So it was after 1991. It was after 1991 that people started buying TVs. The reason was very simple. The reason was very simple that जो भी लोग टीवी खरीद रहे थे उसके पीछे का रीजन ये था कि टीवी का प्राइसेस कम हो गया था बिकॉज नया नया चैनल्स आ रहा था तो ऑटोमेटिकली द मैन्युफैक्चरर्स वर गेटिंग अ बेनिफिट कि नया चैनल्स आएगा तो ज्यादा टीवी बिकेगा सो दे रिड्यूस द कॉस्ट. Yes, even that would be fine, Malhar. Even that would be fine, not a problem. There will be a few changes though. थोड़ा सा चेंजेस रहेगा वो एक बार चेक कर लेना. Sorry. Yes, Priyanka, you can. So guys, if you do not have any doubts, I can end the session. ओके चलो गाइस, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, आस्ता ला विस्ता, खाओ बादाम पिस्ता, मिलते हैं.